Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this low bun hairstyle that's perfect for fine hair. To start, I'm going to apply some wax spray all across the top of the head. This is just to help control any flyaways and keep it nice and sleek. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then just tie the hair into a low ponytail. Next, I've cut up a hair donut and I'm just going to make a little rectangular shape. So just fold it into the shape you want. And then we're going to split that ponytail in half, and I'm just going to place that bun padding between the two halves of hair over the top and bottom of that elastic band. Then just pin it in place with as many bobby pins as needed. Next, apply some more of that wax spray to each side of the ponytail. And starting on the right hand side, I'm just going to twist this all the way down to the end of the hair, and then I'm going to bring it over to the left hand side going along the top of that padding and just secure it in place with a couple of bobby pins. Combine the ends of that first section with the left hand side and again twist it towards the head. This time we're going to bring it over to the right hand side, making sure we lay this twist in the middle of the padding and then just secure it with a few more bobby pins. With that last piece of hair, we're going to keep twisting and bring it back over to the left hand side, again securing it with some pins. Now to fill in the gaps, all we're going to do is pinch and pull at the edges of each section just to cover it up and then secure it in place with a bobby pin or two once you're happy with the positioning. So work your way through each section, fanning it out to cover all of that padding so you can't see it. Then secure in place. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.